Well, here is an absolutely beautiful 1996 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, torch red. Can you believe 96 with just 30,000 miles? Well, this is a beautiful car. It is torch red on the exterior. It has that red interior, and it has two tops, both a glass top and a painted top. They're both included with the purchase. Under the hood, 305 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission and posi rear end. Now, factory features include dual power sport seats, F45 selective real-time damping suppression, performance axle ratio, Bose Gold AM FM stereo system, electronic climate controlled, has fog lamps, power windows, power brakes, power steering, power locks, power mirrors, power antenna. It has tilt, cruise control, ABS, and traction control. It also comes with a clean Carfax, and it is loaded with options and a ton of added appearance accessories. And this 96 Corvette shows, as we said, just 30,890 miles. It's in very nice condition, both inside and out. The combination of red on red in this particular car and the quality of the seats and so forth, it just makes this a beautiful car. The paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine. It has clear protective film that has been added to the front bumper and half of the hood. And the glass top is in average condition. The window sweeps and seals for the door and side windows are very good condition. And it has a set of chrome C4 ZR1 style wheels that have been added. And this is just a beautiful car. Now, the interior of this car shows good to very good factory leather seats, as you can see, shift plate, very good door panel, steering wheel. Now, other additions include a Corsa catback performance exhaust, black door sill covers with white Corvette script. It has a black rear bumper fill-ins, ashtray plaque, and custom red headliner. Now, please note, the car's title reads mileage exempt. Nonetheless, this car's mileage is documented by Carfax. So you're getting a great car here. It is a beautiful car, low miles for a 96 car, and there's no doubt in our minds that the miles showing here are correct based on the presence and condition of the car. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do, click the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. You'll get notified every time they come. So give us a call. Remember, at buyavette.net, we ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can ever imagine. And as an online dealer, you can buy from Buyavette online with ease and with confidence. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.